Something we do here at Jacqueline's that really no one else in the area does is we change watch batteries. And it sounds simple, but anymore, no one wants to touch the watches. They want to send them away. It's going to cost you upwards of $100. It takes a month or two to get it back. Here, we do it in shop. You come in, you see us, we'll change your battery and have you out within minutes. If you do have a problem with your watch, we have excellent watchmakers just in Ohio that take care of all of our watch needs when it comes to repairs. So your watch never goes far, turnaround time's fast, but something as simple as a watch strap, bracelet, or battery, we can do in shop. We have a large selection of straps and we carry every battery, make and model. We also take care of your watch and give it a bath while it's here. It's just something small, so when you drop it off and it comes back, it's sparkly, it's clean, it looks like a new watch. Here at Jacqueline's, if there's a watch that you see, whether it's in a movie, on TV, or in a magazine, come to us, we can find it for you. We have great relationships around the world with watch sellers, so we can find your special watch. There's no watch we can't find.